Hello guys, good evening from Portugal. Okay, today I have the new tickets. 2026, 2026 in Portuguese. Ano para ganhar, year to win. Too much promising propaganda. Okay, tenho número 0 a... Ay, Jesus. 10, 20 euro, 20 euro plus uh, no, 22 euros because this is 12, 21 tickets, okay? 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 11 tickets plus 2 tickets, mais duas raspadinhas, números 48, 49. The same book or not? 3597, 3598, oh Lord. Not even the same book. Just give me 3598. This one 3597. Every time they see my brown stupid face, they give me whatever ticket. Okay, so let's scratch this. Two different tickets, different book. Okay. Uh, Outside Portugal, matching symbol. And if we uncover the symbol 2026, we win 20. It's night time, guys, here. But I'm gonna scratch because I'm going to be busy tomorrow. So it's this Relogio and Chapéu. Watch and party hat. Ah, winner! It's a winner. First scratch is a winner. Ah, 2 wins. Nice. Ah, 3, 4. So she give me a good ticket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 matches each. 4 matches. Maybe this is a good win. 4 matches. There's no 4 matches here. This ticket is joking or what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 matches. 4 matches. There's no 4 matches. There's 3, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So this is a 10 euro win, guys. Confirm. Okay? Dois mais 3 mais 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10. Wow, 10 euro win. Nice. So she gave me a good ticket. Okay, this is the last ticket on the book, but different. This one is 3598 and this one 3597. So this is different book. Okay, it's a good win in a 2 euro ticket, guys. Try to hide my nails, but I cannot. Okay, so we're looking for Violino Corua. Violin and crown. Give me the clock. Moedas. Comita. Champagne. Bandera. Fireworks and drums. So, okay, so this is not winner. I spent 26 euro in this session, guys. Okay, let's go here in different book. How to hide my nails? We're looking for bandera. Competes. Matching symbol, guys, in short. I want to find the 2026 symbol. At least I have 10 euro already, guys. Not bad. This is a winner. I know. Okay, so this is not the winner. 0 is not the winner. Let's go to 1. At least give me my money back. Okay, Bandera and Champagne. Diamante. Saco de Dinero. Confetes. Lua. Moidas. Corneta. Hi, Bandera. Winner. How much? Z. How much this? Oh Lord. That is a good win. No champagne, only Bandera. So far I have €2. 12 euro out of 26. Ticket number 1. Go to ticket number 2. A lot of tickets, guys. 13 tickets. 13 Raspadinhas. Corua Baileno. Bolo. No vine. Ay, winner! Woohoo! Back to back. 1 and 2. Nice. Back to back, guys. Back to back wins. Violino 5. Not bad. It's the lottery code for 5. M. Okay, so I got how much? 17. 10 plus 2, 12, 17 out of 26. Nice. 2, ticket number 2. Let's go to ticket number. Super. I got only 2 losing tickets. Maybe I'll get back my money. We're looking for Luan Shapiro. We have Saco de Dinero. Fireworks. Bandera. Confetes. I don't want to translate in English, guys. Matching symbols. Okay, so this is not the winner. Ah, Jesus, this is ticket number 3. So let's go to ticket number 4. We're looking for a clock and a crown. Brende. Novine. Cometa. Champagne. Okay, so fireworks. Competes. Balois. More likely this is not a winner. Okay, so a lot of losing tickets, of course. Ticket number 4. Where is ticket number 5? Ticket number 5. We're looking for tambor, drum, and money bag. Lua, Balois, maracas, Balois. Okay, fireworks, cometa, brinde, champagne, novine, piano, and no, I think there's no. Sometimes I miss symbols, guys. No, right? No drum, no money bag. Ticket number 5. Or 6. 6. Ticket number 6. We're looking for Brende Diamante. Tambor that I needed. Microphone. Avião. Airplane, obviously. Balois. Cartera. Lasso. Chapéu. And no. 6. Oh, Lord. So I have 4 more tickets, guys. Mais 4 Raspadinhas. And I have never found the 2026 symbol. Lua y Cornete. Cartera, Diamante, Cometa, Chapéu, Bandera. Oh Lord. Avião, Moedas, y Bolo. I think there's no win, right? Oh, a lot of losing tickets. Ticket number 7. Ticket number 8. So far I have how much? 17. I need to recover €9. We're looking for piano and brandy. Microphone. Palois. Korua. Champagne. Hi, piano. Winner. Come on, don't give me €2. Hi, piano again. 2 matches. There's no brandy, right? 2 matches. Hi, M. M is what? Huh? €5? This is M. Piano, piano. Korua and how much is this? 2 matches. 3 y 2. 5. Because I'm confused because this is M and this is €5. Okay, so €5, guys. How much? 10 must. I got 22 already out of €26 session. Nice. I got €4 more to get back my money. Okay, so I have ticket number 9. We're looking for Abiang bandera, tambor, lasso, cometa, saco de dinero, champagne, piano. Okay. Pugo artificial, the artificial. Fireworks? Or what? Okay, so this is not a winner. No bandera, no airplane. Maybe a lot of losing tickets also, guys. This is the last ticket, ticket number 10. We're looking for Lua and Korua. I have the clock. Oh, Lord! I found the 2026 symbol, guys. This is a €20 win. Wow! Can I find more? This is a 2026, guys. This is a €20 win. Wow! I think I cannot find symbol. What's the €20? B. Wow, what a beautiful symbol, guys. Oh, Lord. Look. 2026, €20. Si encontrar o símbolo 2026, gana de inmediato 20. So I win €20, guys. €20. A big €20. Wow, the last ticket. Wow. This is a good ticket, guys. Wow, I only spent 26. Gaste 26. Vamos contar 20 mais 10, 30 mais 5, 35 mais 5, 40 mais 2, 42. Wow, I spent 26, guys, and I won €42. What a good lucro session, guys. Wow, what a beautiful symbol. 2026. I was dreaming to find this, even though it's only €20. It's fun to find the symbol, guys. Wow, it's a good session. Almost double of my money, 26. Then I won 42. Okay, so it's a good session, guys. A beautiful session. I found this symbol. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.